So this is a picture of a young lady. She has lots of freckles on her face. I used the technique I have shown in a previous video to clean up those freckles. And then the result comes like this. And then it looks much prettier. And then we feel this picture is a little bit gray. What we want to do is we're gonna adjust the light. We have two ways. One way is press Control with the M, and you see the curves. And on this side, you make it brighter. On this side, you make it darker. But this is like generally adjust to everything. So you might lose some details. So we're going to do another way. The other way is you separate the bright side and dark side and then adjust them separately. First, you press Control Alt plus 2, select the bright area, and then you press Control plus J. You make a copy of this bright area like this. And then you set this layer as a dark color. Yeah, you don't see the difference right now. And then you go to the background again. Again, you use a Control Alt plus 2. You select the bright area. And then this time you continue press Control Shift with I, and then you inverse the selection to the dark area like this. And then Control J, you make a copy of this dark area like this. And now, some people would say do the multiply. And then if I put a multiply, and then you can see it's too dark. It's too dark. So I would go to normal, but press Control with M, and then you go to the curves, and this time we just adjust this dark area, this dark layer like this. So like this, it looks good. And also you still have rich value, and click OK. So this is the result. Let's take a look on the history. This is original or the before, after. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.